So this year I finally decided to do the DGR, the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. I've not done it before, so this was a first for me. The Distinguished Gentleman's Ride unites classic and vintage style motorcycle riders from all over the world to raise funds and awareness for prostate cancer research and men's mental health. You can simply go on the website, sign up and find where your local charity ride is. Our local one started in Darwen, Lancashire. Is it a classic theme? The only bike I have that closely matches the style is my Herald Classic 250, so that was my bike of choice. I dug it out and set off for my shop, Robin Bank Motorcycles. The meeting point was just around the corner in the town centre. We met up, hung around for a while to see what bikes are about, then listened to the speech.
So thanks for coming out, thanks for making the effort, thanks for dressing dapper. I can assume that, like myself, a lot of you don't dress like this in your day jobs or in your private life. So the DGR, for those that don't know, it's a global charity that began back in 2012 in Sydney, Australia. It's now a global phenomenon that's raised over $50 million over the last, well, since 2012. The first DGR for Lancashire was 11 years ago, and there were 6 of us on it. This time round, looking round, we've got somewhere between 230 and 250 riders, so fantastic.
Once all that was done, we hit the road in convoy. The guys up ahead took a little wrong turn and we all ended up following. But we quickly got back on track. We rode through Darwen, through Ewood, Blackburn and Horton. Then followed the main road to meet at Preston Docks. After a short break and recoup, we hit the road again. Then we arrived in Lytham at the Windmill. You can go inside, have a look around and look up the history of the windmill. We had plenty of time to admire it before we were back on the road again. We then arrived at the final destination, the promenade, right outside Blackpool Tower. After hanging around for a while, we decided to head back home. We had a great time, met new people and saw some nice classic bikes. If you want help to fundraise, follow the link in the description and help me donate. You can also sign up and ride yourself. It's quick and easy to do, and to help even further, you can get some DGR merchandise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications.